希望看我的这
First day in Datong, we started very early.
要被摇坏了，
向左转，
没问题。
身体向左转，向左转。
Also, very interesting thing is that in the hostel that we are staying here in Datong, we also met one of our roommates from Ulaanbaatar. So we came here with her and some other guys from the hostel. We didn't go as a tour, so we are doing everything on our own, which is the cheapest. We took the public bus to here, and now we are buying tickets to get to the site. We are at the Yungang Grottoes, one of the must-visit places when in Datong. We came here to see Buddha's statues carved inside the small caves dating all the way back to 5th century and representing one of the oldest collection of Buddhist carvings in China.
All these Buddhas or these carvings are 16,000 years old.
Yes.
啊，小薯片好吃的啊！
个才买好吃的了。
来小薯饼，
来好吃的香酥饼啊！
Finished with Buddhas in the caves, and now we are going to have another hot pot, this time with our Chinese friends who are going to show us how to actually properly cook it. So we're looking forward to that. This is the place to be. There's the sliders, electric, cameras. You want to say?
What do you say to the boss?
It's 5 of us.
Suggest
Hot pot is a way of cooking originated in China. You can order between different types of raw meat and vegetables, and you cook it together with your friends at a table.
Hello, you small nice kid. Yeah.
So we also have some very nice cats in our hostel. This is Mama Cat. Hey! Hey kitty!
Thank you，不用谢，谢谢你，谢谢，下次再来。
手牵手，情难今宵。那天长夜就白头，
Okay, say hello to the camera. You made it. Delicious.
Yeah. I would like to learn,
Look at that. Keep doing the
yeah. This is the beginning of our second day in China. Well, technically it's third day, but we spent the first one in the train, so we don't really count it. And today we're going to try and reach hanging monasteries again or on our own. We're not going to take a tour. It wasn't really a great start because we missed. We were supposed to take a public transport to the bus station, so we missed the stop, and now we need to walk around 20 minutes or so back because it's a bit hard to get back with public transport from where we ended up. So now we're here. Yeah, it's a huge construction site just next to the walls. We're supposed to take a bus from the bus station, which goes every 30 minutes and takes about 2 hours to near where the hanging monasteries are. And from there you can take a taxi or some kind of van or something to get you to the hanging monasteries. And today we actually in the group have a new member. We don't have our Chinese friends left to see some Shaolin monasteries in a different city, and we have a new girl from Mexico who we met this morning, and she's going with us as well.
We spent about 2 hours at the hanging monastery. It was very, very humid and hot, so we decided to take a taxi and go back to the bus station. We're back in Datong, city center, looking for some nice restaurant for dinner. Found a place for our dinner tonight. So this is Datong during the night. We are right now in an old city. It's just behind the old Chinese wall.
It's really hard to drive. It's really hard to drive.
It's 1 a.m. and we are now catching the train to Beijing. We should arrive there around 7 a.m. Unfortunately, we didn't plan this very good, so we ended up with a ticket for a sitting class, which is going to be a bit tiring, but we are okay with that. We are looking forward to going to Beijing. This is a train station in Datong, and we were very lucky because our hostel it's just like 2 minutes walking from here, and still we were in a city center. So yeah, it's quite good.
玩什么？胜负就3-2这就好了。对，草了我这秒。